Hi guys, I'm Terri and I'm here today to tell you about the amazing Thin Lizzy Max Lash 3D Fiber Mascara. I'm using a handheld mirror to show you this simple 3-step system. First, you take the applicator gel. Before that dries, you go in with the 3D lash fibers. Now you go back in with the application gel to seal in those fibers. This process can be repeated up to 3 times. Now for the bottom lashes, just repeat the process the same as the top. This product can be easily removed with just warm water or any eye makeup remover products. You can get your Thin Lizzy Max Lash Mascara from your local farmers or anywhere that sells Thin Lizzy products. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!